If I told you that buying just one stock could set you up to retire in 10 years, would you believe me? I'm not talking about some penny stock gamble or crypto moonshot. I'm talking about something real, something proven, something like what happened with Amazon or Tesla. Because what if the difference between retiring at 65 and retiring at 45 was one smart move? Stick with me, because in this video, we're diving into the power of long-term investing, how just one stock, if it's the right one, can transform your entire financial future, and what it really takes to retire early in today's world. Let's get into it. Let's go back to 2010. Tesla was trading at just $25 a share. It was barely known, barely profitable, and people thought electric cars were a joke. Amazon? Around $150 a share. Still mostly known for selling books online. Prime was just gaining traction. AWS wasn't even a household term yet. But fast forward 10 years. Tesla? Nearly $700 a share. Amazon? Over $2,000. Do the math. If you had invested just $10,000 in Tesla in 2010, you'd have almost $270,000 by 2020. With Amazon? Over $130,000. No trading. No day-to-day micromanaging. Just buy, hold, and let time do the work. This is the kind of wealth move that doesn't require genius. It just requires belief, patience, and vision. Let's zoom out and look at the timeline. The people who retired early because of Tesla or Amazon didn't get lucky. They got in early and stayed in. They saw the long game. They understood that these weren't just stocks. They were revolutions. Tesla wasn't just a car company. It was an energy and tech company rolled into one. Amazon wasn't just retail. It was infrastructure for the entire internet. The lesson? If you can identify companies that are changing how the world works, you can ride that wave for a decade or more and come out the other side with freedom most people only dream of. The stock market rewards long-term belief, and it punishes short-term panic. Most people, they treat the market like a casino. They're in and out chasing news headlines, trying to time the perfect entry and exit. But the people who actually get rich? They find one or two winners and they stay put, because real wealth is built by owning pieces of companies that change the game, not trading them like Pokemon cards. Let's go back to our $10,000 example. If you had put that into Tesla and just walked away for 10 years, that money would have grown 27x. Not because you checked the stock every day, not because you had insider info, but because you believed in the company before the world caught on. This is the secret most people miss. The best investments don't look obvious at the time. They look risky, strange, even dumb, until they don't. So how does this help you retire in 10 years? Simple. If you can find a company today, right now, that's positioned like Tesla or Amazon was back then, and you invest early, that single bet could 10x, 20x, even 30x your money over the next decade. Let's say you invest $15,000. If that stock grows like Tesla did, you're sitting on over $400,000 by year 10. Add a second stock with similar growth, you're nearing $1 million. It sounds wild, but it's happened before, it's happening now, and it will happen again. Because the world keeps changing, new technologies emerge, new problems need solving, and new companies rise to meet the demand. Your job? Find them before everyone else does. So what makes a stock the one? There are 5 big things to look for. 1. It's solving a massive global problem. 2. It has a visionary leader, someone with conviction and boldness. 3. It's in an industry with explosive growth, like AI, clean energy, or biotech. 4th, it reinvests heavily into innovation, not just marketing. 5. It builds communities and movements, not just products. Tesla checked all 5 boxes. So did Amazon. And the next one might be sitting right in front of you, underpriced, underestimated, and waiting for someone with the guts to hold. Here's why most people miss out. They're focused on short-term returns. They panic when the stock dips 10%, they follow headlines instead of convictions. And they don't realize that every big winner looked like a loser at first. Amazon was called a money pit. Tesla was ridiculed on live TV. But the believers, the early holders, they're not working 9 to 5 anymore. They're on the beach, on their own schedule, watching their accounts grow without lifting a finger. Not because they got lucky, but because they played the long game. I'm not saying go buy Tesla right now. The moment for that level of return may have passed. But I am saying, pay attention, look around. There are new companies today that are shaping the next decade. In AI, in green tech, in health, In the creator economy, and with the tools we have now, from stock analysis platforms to AI research, you have more access to information than ever before. So take it seriously. Start small if you have to, but start, because 10 years from now, you're going to wish you had. So here's what I want you to do. Think bigger. Don't chase quick flips. Chase companies with vision, leaders with fire, products that change how we live. That's how you stack real wealth. That's how you retire early. And if you want help spotting the next big thing, breaking down investing strategies, and using AI to make smarter money moves, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like so this video reaches more people like you. And drop a comment below with the stock you believe could be the next 10x winner. This is Money Route, where we don't just chase money, we learn how to make it move for us. Let's build the future. We'll see you in the next one.